Okay guys, what I want to show you today is this is just a little quick video to show you how to mirror something. Some of you may have never done that before. I know some of you have, but there's a question on today's quiz that requires you to mirror an object. But just in case I haven't shown you, what I want to do, let's say this is a desk or something and I want to mirror it inside this office over here. This is one office, this is another office, and I just need the same desk in the same place in that office. So I might choose the mirror tool. Okay, and I will select the object and click enter, and then the dynamic input tells me to specify a base point. So I specify the base point as well. Let's do this line, and this is basically the mirror line that you're going to draw. Okay, so I'm going to click here and I'm going to draw down, and that didn't work. Let me try that again. I think I'd kind of gotten out of something there. Okay, mirror, select object, enter, specify first point of mirror line right there. Now that puts that desk or that rectangle or whatever it is exactly in the same spot on the other side of this line. Okay, and then of course they want to know if you want to erase the source object down here in the dynamic input, and I do not. I want to keep it there, so I'll have two of them. All right, so that is basically how you mirror something, and that will get you through today's activity.